So here we are back in our clothing swap try-on haul. So all the amazing outfits you've seen in this haul are inspired by items that I got at my clothing swap. So just to recap, the clothing swap is with Rebuilding Women LA. It is male and female friendly, but the organization mostly caters to females, which is why I have all these amazing skirts, dresses, and other items. So up next we have this outfit, this silk yellow shirt I'm pairing with this adorable shrug sleeve. The shrug cuts right here, so that's why I have to wear this silk shirt on top of it. But I really like the color combination with the like greenish gray paired to the baby yellow. I think is really cute. And then we're topping it all off with these blue spandex shorts. I don't wear a whole lot of spandex, but these are from the clothing swap, so they're going to be included in this haul. I actually got another pair of blue shorts from the clothing swap. Can you believe it? So these guys almost got left out, but these are the second pair of blue spandex shorts that I got at the clothing swap. What's amazing about these is that these are a size large, and I literally have no other shorts that are a size large because I usually wear a size medium, and for a long time I wore a size small. So these are one of my few items that I can pull out with no issues if I'm feeling bloated or if I'm just wanting a looser day. And what's awesome is I got them for free at the clothing swap. So clothing swap really gave me an opportunity to play with my sizing in a way that potentially wouldn't have been possible if I actually had to buy these things. So that's awesome. Wanted to give these both a shout out. I know I seem pretty greedy getting two pairs of shorts in two completely different sizes, but you know what? That's what the clothing swap is for. I really like this outfit. I would wear it out in Los Angeles. It has that like casual laid down look of like matching the sidewalk whilst also matching the sun and the sky. It's like a very grounded outfit. I would totally wear this. Stay tuned to see what else I have for you guys. This, I swear, is a man's shirt. The armpits are really large. There's a lot of give in like the shoulders and the upper back area, which is basically a straight giveaway for men's items because men are known to be more built in like the chest area. But yeah, here I am repping this unisex shirt. It has been cut on the sleeves and also cropped by someone else. It was in this condition when I got it at the clothing swap. But yeah, like I love this color scheme. I think it's really giving like LA spring summer. The yellow and the red you see a lot more in the city in the summer. The cactuses, the sun and the sky and the red flowers and the trash. But I really like the shapes on this outfit too. This is why I picked this shirt out and I was like, it's not from the clothing swap, but it's necessary for this haul because it adds a really nice shape to this outfit, which otherwise I think could be diminished by the oversized look of the shirt. So overall, I'm really happy with how this outfit came out, including this necklace I think looks really good. But I only have a couple more outfits to show you guys, and actually one of them I wanted to try on with this skirt. So why don't I go ahead and get changed? I'm also gonna take my necklace off, but I will see you guys right back here real soon. So up next we have this fit that maybe is looking a little bit more styled for the fall. We've got some long sleeves here. We got some dark greens. But guess what? Both of these items were from my clothing swap, so they're both going to be included in this haul. So this green dress is actually from another baddie like me. We talked for a long time and we had similar tastes in fashion, meaning we're both very color-minded and we both see potential in outfits beyond what others may not see. So this dress is actually from her. It's a one-piece dress. The neckline is scrunched and then held by a bungee. And I'm pairing it with this long sleeve shawl, but it cuts right here. So I couldn't show you guys what it would look like without the dress. You're gonna have to stay tuned to my exclusive sites for that one. But I haven't even told you guys the best feature of this dress. And no, it's not the fact that it has side pockets. It's actually the fact that It unzips. I know. You can see I'm still wearing my spandex, but here, this is what the dress would look like unzipped. Tell me I cannot pull that off. Like, in my head, I can 100% pull this dress off. Even if it just stays like this, I got it. Like, game, set, match. Am I right? So I really like this dress. I think it's really funny. I like the fact that it just like cuts right here. I just find it so amusing. And it's one of those dresses that comes around once in a lifetime. And so I really am appreciative for that girl for bringing it out for the clothing swap. It's actually from Forever 21. I know, vintage. But let me show you guys what it looks like in the mirror. And then I have a couple more outfits for you guys. So be sure to stay tuned. Ooh la la. So this dress is giving 70s. If I had to do my my 70s baddie character again, I think I'd wear this. You know what? I think this is giving like 2007. But either way, I got it at a clothing swap. I picked it up. It was one of the last items that I picked up. And I picked it up because I was like, I see the vision there. I see the patterns. I see the colored sleeves. I see the matching bottom. And I see like a 2007's like grade school, maybe middle school teacher vibe. So anyway, I decided to lean into it and to get it since cost me literally nothing to stand up, walk over to someone else's blanket and say, oh, I like this. And so that's why clothing swaps are so great. You're able to expand your wardrobe and try new things without actually having to spend money. All you have to do is go through your own closet and bring items that you yourself no longer wear. Even if you're like super annoying like me and you bring a bunch of extra smalls and everybody else's is medium and larges and you feel kind of bad that you only brought items that you like yourself have sized out on, like it's fine. How was I supposed to know that only 3 smalls were gonna show up? Like, and so real quick before we move on, I did want to shout out another item that I got at the swap that I will not be trying on because you actually just saw it in my annual costume try-on haul. This top that I wore in my snake outfit is also from the clothing swap. I know, can you believe it? It's giving snake and it very quickly made it from clothing swap item to costume haul staple. Am I right or am I right? So anyway, I just wanted to give him a shout out so he gets the rightful air he deserves. But until then, I will see you guys around. I do have one more outfit to try on and we'll see what order I edit this in. Ooh, up last but not least, well, I'm filming last. I don't know if this will actually be last in the video, but this whole entire outfit is items from the clothing swap. I know. Can't believe it. This outfit is like a flagship outfit for the clothing swap. I picked up this adorable plaid jacket. A little bit too warm for LA. This is like wool. Yeah, it is. It's 40% wool. And I could tell that already because it's so warm. So these bird sounds that you can hear behind me actually means a lot to me. I spent a lot of the week trying to save these birds when their habitat next door was destroyed. So I put out 2 bird feeders. I sprinkled a bunch of seed on the ground. I sprinkled some seed on my air conditioning unit in order to attract the bird flocks that used to land next door on the empty lot. Meanwhile, I'm going to report they took all of the greenery and they just left a lot filled with trash. They really did. They just left it filled with trash. I don't know what they were doing, but you know, my civic duty to report them for literally killing birds. This has been weighing on my heart very heavily recently, and as a result, I just haven't been doing as well as I should be doing, considering some other things that are going on. So I'm running out of storage on my phone, so I'm gonna have to do this really quickly. All 3 items in this outfit are from the clothing swap. This wool jacket I covered a little bit in the past video. This black top is also from the clothing swap. It is from Pretty Little Thing, and I have a lot of black tops like this. I probably didn't need another black top, but it fits and it's sexy, so why not? It's giving a night out on the town. And then these black leather pants are from Free People. I know, right? These were some bougie girls at the clothing swap. And I actually brought my own pair of black leather pants that were too tight. And as a result, I got this larger pair of black leather pants. These are an 8, which once again, not a size that I would buy for myself, but maybe I need to start buying a size because these fit perfectly. So these perfect fit leather pants are super cute. I also like this black top. I think it's super adorable. And you can still hear the birds. And they're eating the seed that I just put on the ground. Oh my god. They're coming. So I'm going to go make a bird bath for the birds outside, DIY bird bath. I don't know, that's all I care about, okay, is nature, animals, and wildlife, okay? Those are my top 3 priorities, and so I've been really upset about the habitat destruction next door. But anyway, I guess fashion is technically a priority. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this haul. I hope to see you guys around here soon on my channel. In the meantime, enjoy the sound of the birds chirping as the outro. Just know that I put in work. I put in work for these chirps. These chirps ain't come for free.